Hello my friends, it's DEPHEMEREMBER 2024 and today's crafting prompts are a collage postcard and a curiosity shop. This challenge comes in two parts due to a wonderful coincidence. I will tell you all about it in a second. Let's jump right in. End of week 4 of DEPHEMEREMBER 2024. I'm so happy you made it to my video, even though it can be a very turbulent time of the year. Welcome to my subscribers and welcome if you are new here. DEPHEMEREMBER is an annual event hosted by Barbara from 49 Dragonflies and Luise who have given us 18 pairs of prompts for the month of December to create beautiful ephemera for our junk journals. Under hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER you can find inspiring creative posts and videos from crafters all over the world who participated in this wonderful event. I will link my playlist and all the details in the description box below my video, and so you can find all the information if you are interested. And now to part 2 of this video. If you like working in your journal using creative prompts, I am sure you would enjoy another crafting series I have been participating in throughout 2024, the Margaret Miller Collage Challenge, where we, based on her prompts, create weekly collages and videos. So each week throughout 2024, I have been using 4x6-inch index cards to create collage postcards, which I usually send to my mother in Germany. I also used these prompts to create an accompanying short story or fairy tale based on the same prompts. And here comes the incredible coincidence this week. This week's collage postcard story is actually playing in a curiosity shop. So I decided to use this collaged postcard twice to address the prompts of these two events and to link the video to the Margaret Miller Collage Challenge at the end of this video. But not only that, the postcard also fits beautifully here in the end pocket of this journal. This journal is a goodbye present to a dear person of mine, and the end is really fitting to mark the transition of our friendship. So if you like to see how I'm designing this collage postcard that invites you into the world of a curiosity shop, exploring themes of endings and new beginnings, please click on the link after this video. I hope you can forgive my cheekiness to use the same creation twice. And I hope to see you in my other video.